What is the best way to cook a frozen lobster?
Welcome, everyone. Today we are going to learn the best way to cook a frozen lobster. There's no need to be intimidated. With the right steps, you'll find that it's quite simple, and the result will be a delicious, restaurant-quality dish.
Why start with frozen lobster?
First, let's address the elephant in the room. Why start with a frozen lobster? Well, frozen lobsters can be an excellent choice because they often retain the freshness and quality of a live lobster but are more convenient to store and prepare.
What do you need?
For this process, you'll need 1. A large pot capable of holding your lobster and plenty of water. 2. Sea salt, for seasoning the water. 3. A frozen lobster. Remember, there's no need to thaw the lobster before cooking.
How to prepare the pot?
Now, let's get that pot ready. Fill your large pot with enough water to completely submerge the lobster. Add a generous amount of sea salt, about 1 tablespoon for every 4 cups of water. Bring this saltwater mixture to a rolling boil.
How to cook the frozen lobster?
Next, place the frozen lobster headfirst into the boiling water. Be careful not to burn yourself. Bring the water back to a boil, and then start your timer. For a 1-pound lobster, cook for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. If your lobster is larger, add 3 minutes for each additional pound. You'll know the lobster is done when it's bright red and its antenna pulls off easily.
What to do after cooking?
After cooking, use tongs to carefully remove the lobster from the pot and place it into a large bowl or basin filled with ice water. This will stop the cooking process immediately and make the lobster easier to handle. And there you have it, a perfectly cooked lobster, starting from frozen. Remember, the key is to ensure you cook the lobster long enough but not too long, and to quickly stop the cooking process once it's done. Now you're ready to crack open that shell and enjoy some fantastic lobster meat. Happy cooking!